What's up, people? Silent Screams, aka NYC's Dark Rail fan here. You guys are wondering why I'm out in Drexel University. I'm out here because, my car just won't start. I'm out here freaking dealing with it. I'm waiting until the tow truck guy comes through. In the meantime, I'm just gonna go get some coffee. Try to stay the hell up. Now, mind you, as far as the life update, there is a possibility I'm looking at attending the holiday train special in the New York City area, as well as on convention. I might even go to QXT this year. Yo! Yeah, someone's trying to get on. So yeah, I'm over here in Philly. It's gonna be a bit of a hassle trying to get out over to New York City because, you know, the whole work schedule and everything, it's a mess. So yeah, I'm gonna try the best I can. Well, and in the meantime, I've been also having some problems with the eczema as well around the face, so yeah. No, this ain't vitiligo. This is eczema. Yeah, so. Oh, coffee's not ready yet?
Let the homeless people get away with all the coffee.
Oh. Yeah. I mean, in a way, I guess I'm been used to it over in Harlem, up north in New York City. It's like if it would be Camden, it'd probably be like hell no. Yeah, I'm over here in Philly now, so yeah. Guess I'm gonna have to wait until new batches of coffee come out and whatnot. Just let everyone else get theirs. But yeah, I'm actually gonna see if I can come to QXT's this year. Haven't seen anybody for a while. It's been basically like antisocial or ghost-like, and especially with this, I'm breaking out badly. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna leave it right here for a while and I'll get back to you.